Hey guys, welcome back. Just making a quick video here with some eggs, sausage, two types of sausage. I've got smoked sausage and I've got Italian sweet sausage. Some bell peppers, red and green. I wanted to add some onions, but I didn't get the onions when I went shopping. I thought I did. And I just checked, I didn't have any. I've got 4 eggs in here. Okay, I'm gonna just scramble them quickly. And this is just a quick lunch that I'm making here. And I also like to make this for dinner. And when I have leftovers, I like to take it to lunch at work. And sometimes I have it with a wrap or tortilla wrap, bread, or by itself. Just eat it by itself as an omelet. I'm not going to add any salt, but I will be adding some black pepper, powdered onion and garlic, and some garlic herb seasoning, and a little bit of oregano. Okay, and what I'm doing is I just want to get this a little crispy. And I want the vegetables to soften up a little bit. Okay, so once that's done, I'm going to add my egg. Well, first I want to add some butter. And this is browning in some olive oil. Okay, and every once in a while, I do like to make this. I like to have an omelet every once in a while. But I don't always add, sausage or meat to it. A lot of times I just make it very simple with just cheese, which I'm also going to be adding to this also. Okay, so now that that's melted in there, I'm going to add my egg. Again, these are 4 eggs. Then I'm going to be adding my seasoning in here while that's cooking. So that's garlic and herb seasoning. Powdered garlic. Powdered onion. A little bit of oregano. Too much. Just to give it a little bit of its flavor. And of course I like to add curry to a lot of things because it just elevates the flavor in foods. The black pepper. Cheese. And I'm trying to rush because I don't want this to get cooked so much because I want to be able to mix it a little. Fold it over a little like this. So some of the ingredients are inside of the egg mixture. All right, just like that. Now, if you want to chop it up, you can do that too. A lot of people like their eggs chopped up as they're cooking. And some people just like to let it cook on one side first and let it firm up. And then turn it over once it cooks on one side. But I like to mix it while it's still a little bit uncooked so I can get more of a mixture. So I can get the ingredients mixed in a little bit more. Right, I didn't add any salt because there's salt in the sausages, and there's salt in the cheese, and there's salt in the butter. I'm going to add a little bit more cheese on top of this. Okay, and then what I'm going to do is I'm going to take this, probably have to cut it in half, turn it over. Okay, and that'll be the end of that. Alright, so I flipped it over once, so I'm going to flip it over one more time. Because I like to make sure that when I make an omelet, it's cooked all the way through. The only times I like my eggs not cooked all the way through is when I'm making them over easy. And I like the yolk to stay a little bit uncooked because I like to dip my fries, if I make fries with it, into it, and I just love to do that. That's what I like to do. Or if I make soft boiled eggs. But that's the only time. Alright, so this is good. Just going to add a little bit more cheese over that. Oh, excuse me. And we should be done. Alright. Alrighty. Oops, sorry about that noise. I'm going to turn this off. Okay, we're going to taste some. And of course, a little bit is going to get stuck to the pan because we've got cheese in this, but it's fine. Alright. Okay, and that's what that looks like. Okay, with the smoked sausage, peppers, sweet Italian sausage, and egg. I also like to add liquid to my, either milk or a little bit of water to my egg before I cook it. Before I make an omelet or scrambled eggs, but that's fine. I forgot this time, but it's okay. I'm gonna taste this. Very good. Now I left out the salt on purpose because I taste already a lot of salt in here from the sausages and the cheese. So the salt is really not needed. Okay, that's what that looks like. See if I can get this in the camera. There you go. Okay, and it's fabulous. I love it. I love making this for lunch or dinner, breakfast, any time of the day. I hope you guys make this and let me know in the comments if you do. Bye-bye.